Let's make a spongy paneer in your home with just two ingredients. Let's get started. And tawa on the pan, and just you need to pour a milk. I used 1 liter of a milk and slice a lemon, so which gonna separate the malai and the whey. Yes, you heard it right. The water apart from this, whatever it separates, right? That's called as a whey. It goes under lot of process and it becomes as a powdered form. It's absolutely safe. You can consume whey protein. Okay, now apart from that, put the cotton cloth like that and pour the mixture, and where we can separate the water and the malai, and then now squeeze it, and we gonna rest it in that way with some weight, so that the exact malai can settle down, and I keeping a bit heavy weight. Okay, now let's remove and open it up, and you can see such a beautiful solid texture. You should feel that. Okay, and open up, look at that. Okay, so now we gonna cut this, and I just sprinkle some stevia, and I just ate that. And you can do as per your choices. It's a very less quantity. I made it quickly for myself because I had a milk, extra milk in home. I just got it done. And try it for yourself and do let me know. Thank you.